This is the final video to fix Ready or Not 1.0 crashing and performance issues. Are you frustrated because the game keeps crashing, freezing, or running poorly no matter what you do? This usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers, corrupted game files, or conflicts with Windows background processes and settings. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall the game, tweak hidden system files, or run complex commands, which can be risky and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes crashes and performance issues safely and quickly in just a few simple steps. First, we'll verify and repair the game files to remove corruption, then update your GPU drivers and Windows components to ensure compatibility, and finally optimize background processes and in-game settings to prevent lag, freezing, and crashes. This method works on almost all PC setups, keeps your save files safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix Ready or Not 1.0 crashing and boost performance, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and enjoy smooth, crash-free gameplay without performance issues.